Hello everyone, this is again Professor Vincent Toribongolan and welcome to the part 2 of the case study on how to improve the Net Promoter Score. Alright, so remember during the first part of the video, our goal is to be able to improve the Net Promoter Score from 47 to 60. Alright, so welcome this Alright, so this is again Professor Vincent Toribongolan. Welcome to the part 2 of the case study on how to improve the Net Promoter Score. Alright, so during the first part of the case study, we identify what is the promoter score. And in this part, our goal is to be able to answer or illustrate how can we improve the Net Promoter Score from 47 to 60%. Alright, so there you go. So this is the kind of feedback that we should be receiving from the customers. Beautiful product with much attention to detail, also great support, awesome stuff. So this is a very good feedback from the customers. Alright, so as I said in the first part, 1 to 6 is the detractors, 7 to 8 is the neutral, and the 9 to 10 are the promoters. Alright, so these are some of the factors that drives the Net Promoter Score. Okay, so as much as possible, a customer service representative or the agent should need to resolve every issue, alright, and should not prolong or raise the issue to a higher level representative. Okay, so this is the FCR or the first call resolution. Alright, so resolve the issue during the first call of the customers and do not prolong nor raise it to a higher level representative. Alright, so encourage the customer service representative to resolve every issues they are receiving each day during their shift. Alright, so the second factor or drivers of NPS is the average handle time. As much as possible, provide the customer a solution as immediate, as quick as possible, and make the time to resolution as short as possible. Alright. And the first response time. Of course, nobody wants to be put on hold. Taking the call immediately is very important. Alright. The moment you hear the phone ring or the moment you see a chat channel, make sure you put your attention on this channel. Okay. Receive the call and do not put on hold the callers once you accept the call and the chat. Alright. And of course, anticipate the call volume and designate a buffer call center representative to take calls during the seasons. Alright, so these are only few among the drivers of the Net Promoter Score. Alright, so welcome to the last part. Okay, so to find the calculation, let's say for example, we want to resolve or to increase the Net Promoter Score based on the time to resolution. Okay, so meaning to say, we need to resolve every issues, every tickets that we receive. Alright, as much as quick as possible. Alright, so go to the description again of this video. In order for you to get notified, please share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Alright, so welcome to Statistics Doctor Consultancy.